So Gelish sent me a couple of really cool things, and I thought I'd make a video on using these things on making a nail design. So one of the first things they sent me, this really cool box here, but opens up. It's the new floral collection. 6 really cool colors, and I'll show them to you guys in a swatch later. But we got this red, gold, silver, brown, blue, and pink. Pretty incredible colors, but they also sent something interesting. Grab that here. It's they also sent the new magnetic cream gel, which is cat eye. So what's cool about this is it comes with 6 colors. So you get 6 cat eye colors, but it also comes with this inside. So little brush comes in here, but it's got a magnet on the end, and the other end is your brush end. So let's see what we can do with that. So taking a closer look at the colors they sent me, this is Floral Wonderland, and I think it's a great set of 6 colors, starting with this really glittery red. And then you got this champagne type of gold glitter, a silver glitter, and a really nice cream brown, and this shimmery blue, and a nice nude. Here we got the new cream gel Magnetic Madness, and these are all cat eye colors. You'll see there's 6 of them, and it does include this really cool brush. That one end does have a magnet here, and then the other end is your brush end. I'm going to open all of these up so that you guys can get a closer look at what these cat eye colors look like, and they are absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite features of the cream gel is that there's 6 colors all in one palette with a brush, and it's super compact and easy to travel with. Foundation base coat is probably my favorite product from Gelish, and a lot of people don't know, you only need 5 seconds to cure it. If you're curing your base coat for 60 seconds, you might be wondering why it's taking you over 15 minutes to soak off. The cream gel colors, they do pop right out of their little compact case, and now I'm taking a detailed brush and loading it up. I'm randomly applying these pieces, and then I'm going to take the magnet off the end of the brush, and I'm going to magnetize it once I get this piece smooth. And that's really the thing, is trying to get everything smooth before you magnetize it. With cream gels being a little bit thicker, they do stay put and stay where you place it. And another cool thing is, if you already have a big collection of magnets, even though this gel is a little bit thicker, it will work with your existing magnets. One of the biggest challenges I think people will face is trying to get cream gel super smooth. And it's not going to be like your gel polishes or even your art gels. It's much thicker, so you're going to need to apply less pressure when trying to make it look smooth. Here I'm about to isolate some chrome, so I apply matte top coat, cure it and cleanse it, and then apply Gelish Artform Black, and then curing that for 30 seconds. Artform does not have a tacky layer, so I can go ahead and get my chrome stick ready and apply that with the applicator directly onto Artform after curing it. Now I like to use a makeup applicator afterwards, and this further polishes the chrome, getting it a super nice mirror finish. At the beginning of this video, I did mention making it chip free. Well, that's all in foundation, the base coat. Yes, I'm going to put my foundation base coat on top of my chrome, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, which means I'm over curing it to make it stay a little longer. Then I'll follow with my top coat and cure that. I hope this video was helpful. Till next time, guys.